Something's off. All right, come on now, go ahead and blend out. Focus, love. Lord. Why you gotta say it like that? Lord.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti, Sinae, and I am back with another video. And today, you know what I'm saying, we can call it fall, we could call it Halloween glam, whatever you want to call it, baby, but it's glam. No matter what, just call it, it's glam, okay? And I'm feeling it and I'm digging it, okay? So yes, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. As soon as I put the camera on, this light I'm gonna start twitching. Hurry up. Okay. I already primed and I used my NYX Hydro Touch primer. So I'm going in with my foundation, taking my NARS and I'm mixing it with my Studio Fix. NC60 for NARS and Macau. NC60 for Studio Fix from MAC and Macau from NARS. And this is my NYX brush, the number 3 brush. I used to work at NYX, so like NYX was my actual most recent job. Actually, I was a makeup artist, so I have a ton of brushes from NYX. NYX actually has like the best benefits like for an employee, and I was only part-time too. Like NYX gave some really good benefits. And that discount, oh my goodness. Like that's the one job I really miss, honestly. That was the best job I had. And by the way, y'all, if y'all see my neck is like really greasy, I have eczema. And I don't know if anybody else experienced this, but eczema can be like on and off. You know, like you could get it under control and then it might like have its like flare-ups, you know, like it's times where it's like gets extreme. And that's probably why, you know, if y'all notice it, that's probably why y'all have never noticed it before. So yeah, I had to go in with my Aquaphor cream because it just be getting so bad. It only happens honestly like when I don't drink enough water a day. After so long, it'll start happening. Anyway, this is the Crayon Case Highlighter Concealer. It's in the number 13. And I just take that and put it around my mouth and under my eyes because those are my darker areas. And I don't know if y'all could tell, but this shade has a very peachy undertone. It just really helps to correct those areas. And this is my MAC 252 brush that I spread it out with. This is my Morphe E8 brush that I'm just gonna buff that in with. I love this concealer, oh my goodness. This brush be making me itch sometimes because of the bristles on it. Like, oh my god, I'm itching right now. But y'all, this is as bad as my eczema has ever been. And I think it's honestly, it got this bad because it never gets like, it never stings and it never gets like extremely itchy. But this time it did. And I think it's because of the first product. Before I went in with my Aquaphor, the first time I put something on it, I think it just dried it out even more. Okay, this is my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. What is this? This is in the shade Caramel. Right up on the usual, you dig. Now before I go on the center of my nose and the center of my forehead, I'm just going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and start blending it in, you know what I'm saying? Because this Can't Stop Won't Stop don't play, honey. It don't play. This thing will dry with the quickness, love. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Y'all like my little hairstyle? This is something new, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something. Going into my Fenty Beauty, honey, the Pro Filter powder, okay, in the shade Banana. I'm taking a brand new. This is like a separate sponge. This is the one I use for my concealer. This is the one I use for my powder. My mirror it's not close enough to me. Had a few technical difficulties, okay? Because I feel like that sponge wasn't getting the job done. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had to go and check that out. See what was going down. I'll be first going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Okay, I'm first going with the angle brush because I really want to start by defining like that. I'm gonna tap it in before I blend it. This look is going to be like sculpted, okay? So I'm going to cut my cheekbones, and to do so I'm actually going to be using my Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC47, and I'm going to take the back of this beauty blender. This is a Morphe beauty blender, little beauty sponge. I'm just gonna dig that in there, you know what I'm saying, and cut it, you dig. And I wanted to take this one because it'll blend better. You know, I'm still gonna brighten with my dragon now, but I wanted to go on with this one first because it'll just cut it in a way where it's not looking like harsh. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to cut them, you know what I'm saying? I want to make these bad boys pop. Hey, I just glued this lash down, so it still might look a little raggedy because of the glue. But I'm back with one I done, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime, you know what I'm saying? Whenever I do one eye off camera, and when I come back, hold on, where my brush? I really be coming back hours later, little do y'all know. Like, literally, I think I'm about to miss this sunset. I might not though. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna be right on time for it. So the palette, ooh, I pinched myself. I'm working out of my MAC Flamboyant palette, Flamboyant palette. I'm gonna take this shade as my transition color. This eye is very simple, so many people are already starting their Halloween looks, and I'm just like, dang. I skipped last year for Halloween, and it's looking like I'm gonna have to go ahead and skip this one too. I really don't want to, y'all. It's not the plan, but I'm just not inspired. Like, I haven't been inspired by anything. I'm going in with this shade. Usually I'll have like a few ideas of like the route I want to take, but no, you know what I'm saying, like not this year. Last year either. Last year I think I had a few failed ideas, honestly. I don't know, really can't remember. I'm gonna go in with this red shade right here, and I'm gonna take this like from the inner corner kind of to like the middle of my lid. Just gonna pack it on first, but you know, I'm hoping I get some type of like inspiration. Like, it's pressure just because like people start, and I'm taking this shade right here now, and I'm gonna like fill in the rest of my lid with it, but people start posting so early. Like, people be posting October, it's a Halloween look, and if you're gonna like do a tutorial and create it, and then, you know, if other people want to create it for Halloween, of course you have to obviously film it in advance, but it's still pressure because people, like I said, people already cranking them out, and it's September, it's the 30th. I mean, I know, you know what I'm saying? We ain't even in the middle of October yet. It really do like make you feel like rushed. Like, if you gonna post, like, you gotta hurry up, honey. I'm just taking this deep shade right here, and I'm putting that right here, and I'm just flicking it out, winging it out, and then just gonna take that into my lid, or into my crease, and that's just about it. Taking my NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm just gonna do a quick wing. She's skinny today, honey. She's not thick. honey, she's skinny today. These are the lashes I'm gonna be doing. Let me take them out. See how it gets flare on the end. They're really skinny. As you can see on this eye, they flare out on the end. They're really beautiful. Something's off. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I have to do my bottom. Let me complete this full eye before I blame the lashes, because maybe I'm so caught up on this one looking more wide because I have white on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk. Okay, I'm gonna go on with my NARS eyeliner, taking the deepest shade right here, and I'm just going to go smudge out this liner, you know what I'm saying? Smudge it out real quick. Are we coming together? Because I don't know what it is. Now I'm gonna take, Lord have mercy, this shade. You know? Yeah. Okay. I was just tripping. Okay, I'm gonna take this shimmer. It's just a red shimmer. You know what I'm saying? And I'm putting that in my tear duct area. Going with my Dragon Beauty. You know what I'm saying? And do a little pat, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight into lips. You know, this lip is gonna be very, you know what I'm saying, vampy. So I'm gonna take my eyeliner in Larger Than Life from NARS. It's a black liner, and I'm going to then go in with this Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Drop Dead Red. And then I'm only going to take that more so on the outer, because I'm going to fill my lips in with this Fenty Beauty Uncensored Stunner Lip Paint, honey. Okay, I'm going with just a little more of this. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, this is perfect. That is exactly how I want it. Ooh, my camera dying. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna gel down my edges off camera because it's dying. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Okay, please be sure to like this video, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.